everyone, good day. Jordan here. I'm Jesslyn. Now on my hand, this is a new testing paper. I learned that it can support the fiber marking machine to realize marking the logo on non-metal products like crystal stone and plexiglasses and ceramic and acrylic and some others. Let's figure out what will happen. The material we need to use today, and this is the normal water, and this is the plastic cup, and we will mark the logo on this button, and this is the testing paper. I cut it for the small size in the bends. Then today use these colors, the red colors, and put it into the water and wait for about 1 minute. Thumbs up, and let's see. The upper and the lower layer, they will just slide it. And let's put it out and let it lay on the surface and make sure it's not wrinkles. Then use the paper towel to let it dry. Okay, now we wait it completely dry, then start marking. Now it's completely dry, we can mark. Let's put this material on the working table. Then rotate this stick to adjust the photo. Let the bracket touch the material. Then click the red point to check the size and the position is suitable for you or not. Now it's been centered. Perfect. Then cancel the red point. Stop marking. Then put it into the water and wait for about 5 minutes.
Now remove the texting paper, and this is the final effect.